Hi friends, let's create a new helm chart named sample. Tree command will list contents of directories in a tree-like format. Helm lint examine a chart for possible issues. This command takes a path to a chart and runs a series of tests to verify that the chart is well formed. If the lint encounters things that will cause the chart to fail installation, it will emit error messages. If it encounters issues that break with convention or recommendation, it will emit warning messages. Let's create an error by deleting something in values of the chart and then do a helm lint again. This will show you the issues in your chart and help you with the line numbers you have to check with. Now let's do a helm lint in another chart and see the results.